Welcome back to the channel, everyone. For this video, we are in San Antonio, Texas at the Hyatt Regency Hill Country Resort and Spa. We're going to be grabbing a quick lunch at one of their restaurants here on property. We're going to be golfing in the morning, and we're going to be checking out the swimming pool here in just a moment. And of course, you're going to be getting a room tour and a look at what it's like to stay here. So come on, let's go check it out. Hyatt Regency Hill Country is a 4-star hotel and spa located on the west side of San Antonio. Since we arrived at the Hyatt a bit later in the day, we made our way straight to the Springhouse Cafe for a bite to eat. The cafe was a ghost town when we arrived, though this could be because February is considered the low season for hotels in Texas. The Springhouse Cafe is the Hyatt's casual eatery, but the property also boasts a more upscale steakhouse and several bar areas that also offer smaller bites. After finding a member of the staff, we were promptly seated and our order taken. So I did a barbecue brisket burger, which is on special, but apparently it has the burger, the brisket, and then bacon on top with some regular seasoned fries. And then Nez did the, Cajun chicken pasta, which itself looks amazing. One other couple has walked in. There's really nobody here. Unfortunately, we have to say that looks can be deceiving, as both of the dishes we ordered were at best just okay. And with the bill coming in at just over $60, we've got to say that, based on our experience, we definitely do not feel like we got our money's worth this time. Hopefully this was just an off night for the Spring Hill Cafe, but I can't say we'd be eager to try it again. After touring Charlie's Long Bar, which has the longest copper top bar in the state of Texas at 56 feet, we made our way to the brand new Woodbine Bar, which appears to have been added during recent renovations. Pre-swim drinks in hand, we made our way up to the room to get changed, and then it was out to the pool area for a nighttime dip. None of this was out here before. I love how they redid it. This used to be sort of just an open area, and down here there were some rocking chairs, but now there's all these seating areas, which is really cool to see. And they weren't these rocking chairs, they replaced them, because these rocking chairs are new. It was the big heavy wood type of rocking chair. The children are watching a video. It's really cool. We just ate in there. I think our honest assessment of the food there was the special barbecue bacon brisket burger was okay. Fries were okay. The Cajun pasta, disappointing, I think, at best. Here we go. What we were told was that this water is heated to, I think, 82 degrees. There is it's lit so you can go up there, but it's not running. A water slide. And then over there, we've got some people hanging out. Volleyball courts, that's cool. I'm guessing when the outdoor bar for the pool is open, this is where you sit. And then, oh wow, you get to do the little surfing thing, I guess, when they have it running. That's cool. And then if you look over here, they have bicycles for you to ride. That looks like it's for the adults. And these here, for the kiddos. That's pretty cool, that's thoughtful. Going over the bridge. We might dip in there and do it once around. Oh yeah, that's beach down there. So everywhere else is cement. I don't know if you can tell in the darkness, but this is beach. I think we finally found people. Looks like that is where the hot tub and regular pool is. I guess the great part about being here while it is quote unquote the off season is that there's really nobody, not many people around, and there's nobody out here at night in the hot tub, in the pools. The lazy river is empty. There's still at least another hour before all of it closes, so it's just ours to hang out, have a drink in, and chill. It's kind of fun. After being in the hot tub, this feels like it's freezing, but they keep these temps in all of these pools at like 82 degrees, so I know it's not freezing. Also, do you like where I clipped my microphone? Genius. After the hot tub, she thinks it's way too cold. After our swim, we made our way back up to the hotel to get a better look at the room we selected, which was a room with a king bed and a balcony. But not before a quick stop at the convenience store located on site for some after swim snacks. We're in 3512. So here we are in the room tour. To the left is the bathroom and the vanity and all of that. Right here to the right This is the closet where you can set all of your stuff that you brought with you. It's got a safe right there, an ironing board, plenty of hangers, mirror. This looks like extra, yeah, that's extra pillow if you need it. The vanity area with extra toilet paper and towels. We've already got some of our stuff set out here. One of those interesting mirrors that gets real up close. What do we got here? Pharmacopoeia, body lotion. Big old mirror with light around it. And I actually kind of like this art here. This is the bathroom and shower. I actually really like the tiles that they chose for the shower here. Toilet here. However, they did cheap out. That's pretty cheap toilet paper, so do better, Hyatt. This little guy, if you need something held. Swing this open. Get in here. How much can we do? Let's walk with me. Tim would say we get 1, 2, 3, maybe 6 people comfortably in here. Decent size, not huge. Take a look at the shower head itself. It's okay. There's a little bit of something there. Maybe from hard water. Yeah, you can see it here also. Not terrible. I think it looks pretty good. It looks fine. They got more pharmacopoeia here. Pretty good. Nothing really to complain about. Over here is the coffee bar area. What we got? We got Rainforest Classic. Dark roast there. Looks like they have some chamomile tea also. Nothing else up top. Though it looks like they maybe used to have something. And then the fridge, I'm assuming those are complimentary waters. And then an ice bucket, but nothing else in here. Got a kind of Shea lounge here of sorts. It's more comfortable than I would have thought it would have been just looking at it. This looks pretty hard. I think it looks all right overall. To match the Southwest vibe, I think they chose a pretty good carpet for it as well. And of course we chose a king bed. Let's try it out. Let's see how comfy it is. That really is pretty comfy. And of course, if you have work to do during the day, they have a nice table here set out for you with a chair. However, there is this lamp that is right above your head. And so if you're average size, I feel like you're gonna run right into it. And on the side of the bed, you get a USB and regular plug support. So there's places to plug in your devices. And these could be the most cool of all. These automatically light whenever you step out of the bed. Pretty cool. So what we booked was a king bed with a balcony view, and this is what we got, which looks out over the courtyard in the middle of the hotel area. I think the patio is rather nice. It's nice and quiet. Over in the distance there, you can see the lazy river going by. Lights are glimmering off the surface. It's nice and quiet. Pretty relaxing way to hang out. After getting a good night's sleep, we were up and out the door for 9 holes of golf on the creeks, one of the property's 3 9-hole courses.
There it is.
Much like the hotel itself, the property's golf courses all seem to be undergoing renovations. Even so, we had a great time, even if I shanked one from time to time.
Okay, there's thorns in here. That got me. Ouch. Okay. That was a good shot. Ooh, we're going under the scary bridge. Let it rip. Well, I guess it slows itself.
Yeah, it's got a safety feature now.
And the fun part is Nez figured out a way to, I guess through Bluetooth, hook up to the speakers on the golf cart. And so we're listening to her music.
Sounds dangerous.
I'm not a golf pro, but I was mostly pretty happy with this outing, and we had a lot of fun playing this course. And what was even more fun was playing Spot the Deer, because there were a ton of deer hiding in the brush. and one who was not so subtle. Despite the rough start with the Spring Hill Cafe, I think we enjoyed our stay at the Hyatt overall. We thought the renovations looked good and had fun both swimming and playing golf. What did we pay for this experience at the Hyatt? Just over $640, which includes dinner at the Spring Hill, some bar drinks, and a round of golf. So what do you think? Would you stay at the Hyatt or maybe hit up the golf course? Or if you have stayed, did you enjoy the property's amenities? Would you go back? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this episode, go ahead and subscribe. As always, thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode. So until next time.
She's going into the dark.